Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to identify if you are truly stuck in the tutorial stage. Internet is the best thing that ever happened to us this generation, but every good thing have the bad side. It's good since we can easily access any information we may need at any time for free. No hassle. The least you need is a smartphone with an internet connection. That's all you need. And this is where the problem comes. There is a lot of information everywhere, given by different people from different places, from different races, from different experiences. Some people are beginners, some people are professionals, some are just intermediary, and all these things, they are there. So you, as a person who is trying to find a solution to a certain problem that you have, maybe you want to start programming, you want to know about how to create a YouTube channel, you want to know how to create a business online. It is always there. The information is there. They are everywhere, and you do research and you find a lot of it, right? And this is where the problem comes. You read this, you find an information, you read another one, you get more, you read another one and you get more, and you keep on reading. They tell you there is a better way, there is another way, and you go to this place, you will be always stuck in reading mode. You read, you watch video tutorial on that. And as you know, let's say you want to create a YouTube channel, right? All you need is to create a YouTube channel, right? So you go to a tutorial on YouTube or probably on a blog. They will tell you, okay, how to create a YouTube channel. You must have a YouTube account, Gmail account, and you do that, and you have a YouTube channel. And that's how to start a YouTube channel, as simple as that. But instead of now you've had that information, instead of going and starting a YouTube channel, you kept on going more and deep again. Like, okay, you know how to create a YouTube channel, you haven't created a YouTube channel. Or you know how to create a blog, you haven't started a blog. Or you know how to write your first program, you haven't wrote your first program. Now you go again deeper. Now you want to know how to brand your channel. Remember, you haven't created a channel, so you are trying to solve a problem that you don't actually have. So this is where you start getting stuck. You're now starting to solve virtual problems that you don't actually have. And this is where the problem comes. You now talk about branding, how to create a really good icon for your channel, how to create art for your channel, and that's it. You know how to create an ad now. Now what? You go to now how to optimize a video, how to optimize the videos on your YouTube channel. And you haven't even posted a single video. You haven't read that single blog or article on your blog. And now you want to optimize the video, you want to optimize the actual articles that you don't have. So you will always keep on, you go deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you reach a point whereby you don't even understand. Now they will be telling you, okay, now how to get the audience, how to drive traffic to your blog, how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, right? And this is where the problem comes. You don't know how to do this. In the first place, you don't even have a blog, you don't even have the actual YouTube channel, you don't have the actual videos, and now you're searching a way in which you want to bring people to your blog, to things that you don't have. So this is how you get stuck, and then you reach a point whereby you don't know what to do. You have this information, you haven't made a thing, and then you start again how to create a YouTube channel, how to create a blog or stuff like that. Anything. It is crazy. That's how people get stuck, and I know most of us have this kind of problem. I just wanted to help you identify if you are really into that tutorial black hole. Don't worry, there is a way in which you can help yourself out. The simple thing that you can do is to After every time you, like an example, you want to create a blog, you do a tutorial on how to create a blog. After doing that tutorial, go and create a blog. And then after you've created the blog, you will have a problem. Actually, you will have a problem, and go search for a tutorial to solve that actual problem, sorry. Just as simple as that. But I will be creating a video concerning that, in which how you can get yourself out of the tutorial black hole. But I'll be bringing that soon. So next time when I put it out, please kindly just check it out. And that's all for today. Kindly consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and like, comment, and share. Thank you. Now go and start.